Good morning, children. Today we start online class for class 6. Okay, before starting of the lesson, we should discuss previous class about information about numbers and numeration. In class 5, we learned about numbers and numeration. As I know, in that we have discussed lot more topics. What topics we have discussed in that class? We have discussed about smallest and biggest 3-digit number, 5-digit number, and many number digits. Okay, and we also discussed write the given numeral in the numeration form, and we also converted the given number name in the numeral form. A lot more exercise like predecessor and successor also we have done. But in class 6 we are going to learn about a new chapter, that is lesson 1, knowing our numbers. Okay, knowing our numbers. Why should we know our numbers? Okay, we will see on the polling booth they give a number of, they prepare a chart full of numbers. Do you observe any time what is our census? You know that our India census it is in crores. Okay, 130 plus crores. Okay, while knowing about the digits and numerals, you should know what are present in this lesson. By this lesson, by listening this lesson, you are able to know how do we get and convert the given numbers in any digit full form and any of the numeration form. Right now we will see in clear knowing our numbers, and we are discussing exercise 1.1, that is first Roman, which is greatest and smallest among the group. Okay, they given a group of numbers. Okay, in a group they given numbers. We have to identify which is the greatest and which is the smallest. Okay, right now we will identify. Okay, by looking at these numbers, we can clearly say that which is big and which is smaller. But we have to be in procedure form. Okay, by looking in all of the numbers, we find that there are 5 digits: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then how can we know? Okay, by placing the order of place value system, we can find that. Understand? Right now we'll see ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Same we have to apply for each and every number: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Okay, right now we will check each and every digit in clear. By looking at the, for every time we have to start from the left side. Okay, from the left side onwards we have to go to right side. Right now we will see the biggest value is 10,000. In the place of 10,000s we have the value 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, it is clear. Next, thousands. In the place of thousands we have 5, and here also it has 5, 5, 5. Okay, and in the place of hundreds we have 4. Okay, and in the place of hundreds here we have 8. Means it is the biggest value when compared to these items. Here 100 equal to 3. 100 in the place is 5. Okay, this is the biggest value. Okay, 15892 is the biggest value. $15,892 is the biggest value when compared to the all of the numbers. Right now we'll check which is the smallest among the group. Okay, we'll see. For this also we have to look at equally 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, and tens and ones. Okay, we'll see. See, we got the smallest value is this, because see in the place of hundreds 4, 8, 3, and in the place of hundreds we have 5. Okay, leave that, and we have to shift it to the tens place. Okay, in the place of tens we have 3. Okay, in the place of tens here 9. In the place of tens we have 7, and in the place of here tens is 2. So overall by this, which is the smallest number is this one. Okay, this is the smallest number. Okay, we'll see next one. Same concept. We have to write first of all place value system: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Okay, we have to start from the biggest value, that is 10,000. Okay, in the place of 10,000, 2 and 2. Okay, all are same. And in the place of thousands, we have 5, and 5. Okay. And next we have to move to the hundreds place, that is here 100 equal to, in the place of hundreds we have 0, and in the place of hundreds 2, and in the place of hundreds 8, and hundreds place is 6. Okay, by looking these terms we can clearly say that in the place of hundreds we have 8 when compared to the remaining numbers. Understand? Then this is the biggest term in the following group. Okay, biggest number is 25800, that is 25,800. Right now we'll see which is the smallest term. Okay, in the place of, again from the first we'll start, in the place of you know that 10,000 thousands, because 2 in the place of 10,000 and 5 in the place of thousands in all the remaining group numbers. Then we'll see the hundreds place. Okay, in the place of hundreds we have only 0 when compared to the remaining numbers. Then this is the smallest number. Okay, smallest is 25,073, that is 25073. Okay, right, like this we have to identify the given biggest and smallest numbers in a group. Okay, do the remaining sums in this same exercise. Thank you, children.